Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create AI shorts video using AI tools, and it's completely free. So if you are a new YouTuber and if you want to grow your YouTube channel fastly, so shorts video is the best way you can grow your YouTube channel, because using shorts video you can get more views, also subscribers. I will show you step-by-step tutorials how you can find the best topic, that's mean shorts video topic. As a new YouTuber, what kind of video we should produce, or what kind of shorts video we should make? Answer is in your YouTube dashboard, that's mean YouTube studio. So go to your analytics and you will find inspiration, and you will find a search option, new videos to inspire you, and also make a shorts. If you are a very beginner, that's mean if you have only 2 or 3 videos, I request you to upload at least 10 to 15 or 30 videos and try to do best YouTube SEO. So when people search on YouTube, so they will get your video. So I'm going to show you, it's very simple and I will not take more times. Okay, so check out your analytics, make a shorts video and click on show all. There are 5 topics over there. Sometimes it's less than 5 or more than. Okay, and I'm getting views and also subscribers. That's amazing, guys. So why make a shorts and why YouTube suggest me? The people who are watching my videos and they are searching and they're getting my videos, so that's why YouTube suggested this. So it's a auto generated suggested, it's a YouTube suggested topic. Chances is very high to go viral. So each and every YouTuber, your inspiration should be different, because I make videos like different tech related videos or money making content or a business, finance, crypto. So that's why sometimes I get different kind of topics. The first one is 7 AI tools to create killer YouTube videos, and the last one is make money online trading t-shirts. So what should I do? So I will make 5 videos. Okay, I will make 5 videos, and definitely I'm using AI tools. First of all, I'm going to copy the first one, and I will be using a tools. It's called Viddoio. I'm really great fan of Viddoio because it's helped me a lot to produce AI content, especially short video. So this is the dashboard, guys. So I already logged in into this account. So if you don't have any account, just visit this website and sign up with your Gmail account. It's completely free, you can create. And when you logged in, you'll find the dashboard like this. The first one is create new project, upload your files, create AI avatar, also create clips, vid, and AI text to video. So we want to create a shorts video. Okay, that's why we have to choose AI text to video. So click on that, and a new page will be open here, and you will see an option, what is your video topic? So already I copied the first one, that's mean the first text. So let's paste it here. So I'm going to paste the topic and just click on generate video. All right, so we are preparing your videos. That's mean Vid.io will help us to create a script, recording voiceover, generating different music and stock media. So which is really important when you create a shorts video to grab the attention, like different kind of videos and images. So and we don't have to worry about this. AI will help to generate all the things. Okay, that's the power of AI. If I want to create this kind of videos, maybe I have to spend some money to hire video editor. Already our video is generated, so let's click on open in editor. And the third and fourth, there are multiple stock media footage and videos. And the last one is mp3, that's mean the audio, music. So I'm going to delete this, because if I upload on YouTube, they will get a copyright strike. So I'm going to play this video and then I will show you how you can download. Also, if you want to create a long format video, so click on that and then select 16:9 ratio. It's a YouTube video. Also you can create a shorts video, as well as you can select TikTok video. So 9:16, it's perfect for Instagram story, TikTok, shorts video, and also the Instagram reels. So once you create a shorts video, you can upload into your TikTok account, your Instagram, also Snapchat. So let's play the video.
YouTube videos just got easier with these 7 AI tools. From video editing to thumbnail design, these tools have got you covered. With features like automated editing, voiceovers, and even video analytics, taking your content to the next level has never been simpler. Say goodbye to hours of—
All right, so it's amazing, right? So if you want to change the subtitle and the voiceover, you can. So alright, so I'm going to show you how you can download. So let's click on done section and you will find the quality. Make sure it's standard and make sure it's enable. Okay, so that in your video you will find the captions, okay, subtitles. So let's click on export video. Alright, so let's click on here and you will find a MP4 download. Let's click on MP4. Alright, so our video is downloading. I'm going to upload my shorts video to my channel. So let's click on create here and upload video and select a file. So I know it's very easy. Anyone can upload YouTube videos, but so I just want to make sure this, is it really copyright free? So here you can see checking 1%. Alright, checks complete, no issues found. That's mean there is no issue, there is no copyright, there is no guideline strike. You can upload into your YouTube channel. Okay, this is our title. So let's copy this and I'm going to remove all the links from our short descriptions. So and also I'm going to input some hashtags. Let's add some hashtags. Okay, and make sure it's not made for kids and scroll down. It's AI generated content, 100% yes. Definitely you have to check the relevancy. But our videos isn't about finance or real estate. So we shouldn't add this kind of tags. Okay. Alright. So scroll down and you will find the AI tools. Alright. So free AI tools. You can find the relevancy tags and you can add over there. So I'm using a Viddoio and also the TubeBuddy. This extension, add your key source point over here. Also you can add a related video. Alright, click on next. I'm going to publish it right now. So let's click on publish. Perfect. So finally our video has been published. So you can check out my YouTube channel and watch this video. And if you love this content, please comment below. I'm really happy to support you. If you have any queries, please comment below. If you love this content, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Hit the bell notification so that you can get video fast. Okay. So I will come back with another tutorial. So stay tuned. Have a good day.